set up and thread your sewing machine. Okay, first we're going to pull this out and then extend the lever. You're going to use your finger to pull out the board and just place it on the side. And here you have your machine right here where it's kept, and you're going to have both hands on both sides, and you're going to push it down gently. And then you will have to do it again because it only comes halfway up, and just do exactly what you did before. And then it comes all the way up. And you have to make sure when the way you're sitting is that your back is against the chair and that your feet are straight in front of you. And then on the side over here, make sure it's plugged in, and if it's not, then do it now. Okay, and then you're going to take your foot pedal and you're going to unwind it until it's all the way unwinded, and then you're going to plug it right next to the plug, which is right here. Oh no, right here. You plug it in, and then you just put this at the bottom, right here where your foot can be. Okay, once everything is set up and you have your foot pedal ready and it's plugged in, then you will come over here and turn it on. Okay, and once you turn it on, you will hear a sound and a light that comes on, which means your machine is ready to go. And today we're going to be using a specific type of thread, which is called stacked thread, which means you would have to put it on this spool instead of this one. So whenever you put it in, make sure the thread becomes behind it. That way it will correctly thread. And then next you're going to hook it from behind in this tooth.
Oh, Pablo, you gonna need these anytime?
Okay, so you're going to bring it up on the right side all the way down, and then you're going to kind of wrap it around this latch and then bring it up again. And then on the left, you're going to have it hooked right in that little hook right inside this thing and bring it down. And then once you bring it down, you're going to hook it around this little top hook right here. Okay, and then you're going to hook it into this very small silver hook over here. And all these steps are very important to prepare your threading. And then next, after you do that, you're going to want to put the thread inside the needle. But today, just to make it easier, we're going to cut it at an angle to help better put it inside the needle. And then you're going to try as hard as you can to put it through the hole, which, as you can tell, I did it right now. And then pull it through. Okay, and once you put it through the needle, you're going to go put it through this slit. And once you have done that already, you're going to open the door. Make sure your forefingers right here and your other fingers over here so you can open it. And once it is open, you're going to take out the bobbin. Okay, so you're going to take your thread for the bobbin, and you're going to hold the excess thread with your 3 fingers, and you're going to pinch it just like this and hold the thread. And then you're going to take the bobbin and just drop it in there, right in the bobbin. And then once that's all done, you're going to bring it in here and put it between those 2 teeth, which you can see. You're just going to let it hang. Once you put that in and string it out, you put it back inside its little home. Go. And once you put it in, you're going to hear it click. And once you put it over on this of the thread and close it. Go. And that's how you set up your sewing machine ready for you to sew.